So welcome back everybody to a new video. Now today I am in Windows Vista, as you can see, virtual machine. I'm using VirtualBox because today I'm going to be destroying Windows Vista here, the probably most hated Microsoft OS ever. Everybody just hated it, and I do as well. I mean, it just looks horrible. Today we're going to be destroying it with a simple notepad command. So I will show you guys how to create these type of commands in another video, but today we're just going to be using it. So let me just type it here. So here's the command right here. Pretty simple little command. And you can go ahead and pause the video and copy this if you want. I will warn you though, do not try this on a computer that is natively installed, because it will destroy your computer. So you're going to save it. I'm going to call it you can basically put whatever you want right here as long as you have .bat. I'm going to call it file spammer.bat because that's what it is. Make sure it's on all files right here, and this does not matter. Just go ahead and save. You know what? I'm actually going to save it to my I would like to save it to my desktop, so go ahead and save it there. Okay, so we can go ahead and get rid of that and go ahead and run it. Actually, I'm going to close this. Let's go ahead and run it. Double click. So you can see this starts to happen, and basically what that's doing is creating hundreds of thousands of files. So if I go ahead and stop this, now they're not actually going to all appear, but you can definitely tell that it is slowing down. You can see this is kind of just frozen here. I'm getting the loading symbol. Yeah, definitely not good. And it has basically crashed already. So I'm going to, you could see what it's doing here actually. Yep, that's it. It basically creates like hundreds of thousands of files instantly to your computer. And they're all empty. So see if we can go ahead and open one of these up. Maybe, I'm not sure. File Explorer is not responding. Just give it time. There we go, starting to load up a little bit. You can see if this folder is empty. They're all empty folders. But very destructive program right here. Again, I do not recommend you guys run this unless you're on a virtual machine or something like this. But I will try to run it again. See if I can do the full, not just close it right away. I'm just going to open this. Should be under here, users. Okay, so it looks like it has actually, oh, you can see it kind of gets rid of it when there's stuff there, but maybe it's on desktop. Should be. Here, if we go into desktop here, we can see all of the files. I mean, 16,000 already, and it just keeps going. Now, unfortunately, it did look like it deleted my notepad. We can go ahead and run the notepad again. If I can here, let's win our notepad and do it again. Okay, so we have it again. Go ahead and save as. Now I named this as File Spammer 1 because it already did create File Spammer. I don't want to confuse it, but I'm not sure if that's actually going to pop up. It probably won't because there's so many files here. But I can always just go into computer here and load up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Very slow. You can see it's at 14 gigabytes from just all these files, and I'm sure CPU is at 100% right now. RAM as well. I believe I put 512 megabytes of RAM on here for this virtual machine. If you guys want to, I can show you how to run these virtual machines, but I'm just going to go ahead and run it again. Close that out if I even can. But yeah, it's basically, you can see how fast it goes. It just creates tons and tons of these things, and you can see it just keeps going forever. Like, look how fast, if I put the scroll bar up here, it just goes right to the bottom. So if Task Manager actually runs here, let's go to Performance. You can see CPU 100, and it's almost completely eating my RAM here, and it's kind of glitching out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to make some virtual machine videos where I can teach you guys how to create these built-in Windows operating systems. And check out my next video, which will be soon, on how to actually create these small worm files, I guess you can call it. So see you guys later. Bye.